Welcome to Animal Factory, where nature's finest raw materials are transformed into the world's most exceptional luxury goods. Our Brahman bulls arrive at the receiving facility with calm precision. Each animal is handled with expert care and respect. The receiving pens provide comfort and hydration for our animals. Clean water and fresh straw await each bull upon arrival. This facility represents the pinnacle of sustainable animal husbandry. Every detail has been designed for efficiency and animal welfare. Rest is essential to the quality of our materials. These animals are kept in optimal conditions throughout their stay. Each morning, our animal care team performs thorough wellness checks. Nutrition and hydration are carefully monitored. Clean water is the foundation of health. Our automated systems ensure constant access to fresh hydration. Our handlers build trust through consistent, gentle interaction. The welfare of each animal is our primary concern. The veterinary zone represents animal health care. Advanced diagnostics ensure optimal well-being. Our non-invasive scanning technology captures comprehensive health data. Every animal receives a thorough examination upon arrival. Every vital sign is recorded and analyzed. This comprehensive data ensures complete health assessment. Every vital sign is recorded and analyzed. Digital records track each animal from arrival through every stage of processing. Traceability is absolute. The inspection corridor represents the final phase of the veterinary assessment. Only our highest standards proceed. A thorough physical examination confirms the exceptional quality of each animal. Every detail is documented. With health certification complete, the animal now moves toward the processing facility. Every journey of transformation begins. The processing floor operates with surgical precision. Our facility is designed for maximum efficiency and quality. The harvesting of Brahman horn material requires specialized expertise. Each horn is removed with precision and care. The raw horn material presents a natural canvas of pale ivory and light amber. Each horn is unique in its subtle variations. Precision cutting transforms the raw horn into manageable sections. Each piece is carefully planned for maximum utilization. Each section is categorized by size and quality. The natural color gradient ranges from pale ivory to warm amber. Cleaning reveals the natural beauty of the horn material. Fine natural ridges are preserved through gentle processing. The boiling process softens the keratin, making it workable for the skilled artisans who will follow. Controlled heat and moisture transform the horn material, preparing it for the artisan's touch. The processing stage concludes with the horn material softened and ready for the artisan workshop. From the processing floor, the horn material moves to the artisan workshop, where true craftsmanship begins.
In the artisan workshop, master craftsmen transform raw horn material into objects of exceptional beauty. Each curve of the horn is carefully considered. The artisan's hands work with centuries-old techniques. Shaping requires patience and a deep understanding of the material. The horn reveals its character with each refined curve. Polishing reveals the horn's inner luminosity. The warm amber tones become visible as the surface gleams. The highest quality full-grain leather is selected to complement the horn material. Together, they create exceptional luxury goods. The assembly process requires precision and care. Each component fits together perfectly. The assembly process requires precision and care.
Each component fits together perfectly. Every detail is examined and refined. The natural beauty of the horn is enhanced through careful attention. Each piece receives a thorough inspection. Only flawless work moves forward to quality control. The finished piece represents the harmony of nature and craftsmanship. Each product is unique in its subtle character. The artisans take great pride in their work. Each piece is a testament to their skill and dedication. Some horn sections move to the tanning process, where they receive their distinctive and character. The tanning process enhances the natural beauty of the horn material. Rich, warm tones develop through careful treatment. After tanning, the horn material reveals deeper, warm tones. The process enhances the natural beauty of the keratin. Full-grain leather undergoes its own transformation process. The result is material of exceptional quality and character. The finished leather displays exceptional grain and depth. It provides the perfect complement to the horn material. Precision cutting ensures each leather component fits perfectly. Waste is minimized through careful planning. The artisan workshop combines the finest horn and leather materials into objects of exceptional beauty. The completed product reveals the full beauty of the horn material. Rich amber tones and natural ridges create a unique character. Each product tells a story of craftsmanship and heritage. The Brahman horn material carries its natural beauty into the modern world. The processing floor operates with seamless efficiency. Materials flow from station to station with precision. The fine natural ridges near the base of each horn are preserved as a mark of authenticity. Each piece tells its own story. Full-grain leather offers superior quality and durability. The natural grain pattern is visible in every piece. The combination of rich, warm amber horn and premium mahogany leather creates a material harmony that defines our luxury collection. This is the heart of Animal Factory, where expert craftsmanship transforms natural materials into luxury goods of timeless beauty. In the quality control room, every product undergoes rigorous inspection. Only the finest pieces receive our approval. Digital scanners verify the precise specifications of each piece. Quality is measured with scientific accuracy. Microscopic inspection reveals the surface quality in extreme detail. The horn's natural structure confirms its authenticity. Each approved piece receives digital documentation of its quality certification. Traceability is maintained through every step.
The Animal Factory brand represents the highest standards of quality. Each piece carries our mark of excellence.
The packaging room is where excellence is presented with dignity. Each product receives the presentation it deserves.
Each product is wrapped with care in premium tissue. The presentation reflects the quality within.
The premium black box with gold foil logo protects and presents the product. This is the face of Animal Factory luxury.
Each box represents the culmination of our process, from
Animal Factory Clumed to luxury markets around the world. This is craftsmanship without compromise.